How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And today we're going to be talking about NordVPN, whether or not it's a good option for gaming. Now, NordVPN is overall one of the best VPNs out there. It's got great performance, great security, and it's just overall very well priced. And it's an incredibly well-rounded value option that gives you a whole lot of features for the money. Now, is it a good option for gaming? I would say definitely yes, especially if you're using the best performing protocol NordLynx, which makes NordVPN arguably the fastest VPN in the business. It also works great for gaming if you're trying to, let's say, fix potential lag issues, or if you're trying to access games that are not available to you. It's a great option. You can also unblock all kinds of streaming services that are not available to you, or perhaps access gaming discounts that are country exclusive, and you can just switch to the relevant country and access those discounts. And you can also secure your device, prevent any DDoS attacks and whatnot. But I think the coolest feature that supports gaming is the MeshNet feature. And this is a great example of what NordVPN can do for your gaming experience. Obviously, you can safely share files over MeshNet, over the encrypted connection of NordVPN. You can also work on development projects through the encrypted remote access that it gives you. And it's just a great bonus feature overall. And how you can use MeshNet for gaming is, again, first of all, you can use it to throw a remote LAN party with your friends. Now, when MeshNet forms an encrypted private network, the devices on that network will treat each other much like they would if they were all on the same Wi-Fi network. And this can make it easier to host uninterrupted private LAN parties on video games that support this function. Another way MeshNet can be useful for gaming is to host a server for your friends, because MeshNet allows users to have more than one of their own devices connected to the network. A more technically proficient user could connect their own server to the network and use it as a LAN hosting platform for their friends. Users can connect 10 of their own devices and link to up to 60 other devices in a MeshNet, so you could potentially form a large private community around your own server. Another way MeshNet can be very useful for gaming is sharing IP addresses, because compatible devices can be used by MeshNet as VPN endpoints, routing and decrypting users' traffic when they connect to them. This allows you to use the same IP address that your friend uses, potentially granting access to servers or features that you could not have accessed otherwise. And this is just MeshNet. Obviously, this is all besides using NordVPN as a VPN for gaming in general. It works really well. I've tested it with Rainbow Six, Call of Duty, Warzone specifically, and it works just fine. All you need to do is use the NordLynx protocol and connect to the VPN server that is closest to your game server. This way, you'll make sure that the distance between your VPN server and game server is as short as possible, and you could potentially fix any ping issues that you may be having, especially if your ISP isn't exactly giving you the best of connections. All right, so that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys want to learn a little bit more about NordVPN's privacy policy, speed, streaming and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features, you'll find the full review down below, and you'll find links to pricing and discounts if you'd like to jump straight to that. Either way, if you don't like NordVPN for whatever reason, you can get the refund, since all the plans are covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.